Did I show you what I got in my IPSY Ultimate box? I don't think I did.
Looky here. Ooh. IPSY Ultimate is a bigger one.
Great brands that you already know. Living Proof, Perfect Hair Day. Look at this little thing with some Charlotte.
Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand High Blush. The Pillow Talk Matte Beauty Blush Wand. Easy Liquid Blush. Rhodial Collagen Drops. If you're over 40, over 30, or almost 50, like me, you need the collagen. You need it.
Also got hyaluronic acid, babassu oil. Ooh, I've used some of their products before and I liked them, so. Hello, Tatcha. Hello, Tatcha. A lip balm, gold spun lip balm. What? Ooh, look at this. Wow. Very luxe. Gold spun. So is that like supposed to be gold in there? Reminds me of that beverage that had the real gold in it. Any Gen Xers back in my day know what I'm talking about? We can comment below about that. NARS. Oh, it's a quad eyeshadow. I thought it was going to be one of the blushes. Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur. Ooh, those are pretty. I used to buy, and I probably still have it, this like navy blue. It had a little bit of a glitter in it. It was just like a single, and I used that for years. Anyway, this is gorge. Look at that shimmer. Ooh. This box has 8 things in it. We got 3 more. Grown Alchemist Gentle Gel Facial Cleanser. The Live High Definition Gel Eyeliner. And ooh, Kevin a Coin. Indecent Mascara. Indecent? Kevin, calm down. Let's take a look-see. Okay. Interesting wand. We'll give that a shot. Oh, look. Colors. I always like it when I get colors. I'm a very colorful girl, so I do enjoy something more than just black and brown. Yeah. Oh, very nice. Is there something on the other end? What's on the other end? Oh, it's got a little brush on the other end, just like another recent eyeliner that I received. Would that be a dupe situation? I don't know. Whoa, there's the cleanser. Nice big bottle. I mean, that's the other deal is you get full-size products. Heat styling spray. Oh, that's timely because I think I'm almost out of my other heat styling spray. So thank you for that. If you're looking to like up your subscription or just start at the top, I've got a link in my thing and you can go through mine and sign up today. But this is so beautiful. I love Tatcha. Okay, this bag is not opening. Never mind. I'm assuming that's the shade. It's lovely. Ooh, I like that one too. Pillow Talk. I feel like I've heard that name before. Anyway, let me know what you got in your box. Thanks for watching. My name's Amber Wood, almost 50 makeup mom. Okay, bye.